In order to open or exit your download mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56, well, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we need to power off our phone. You can do it with any way. I will just do it this way, as you just seen it. So great. Now, grab your USB-C cable and make sure to plug in the second part of it to your laptop. Now, locate your power button, volume down button, and volume up buttons. So to enter into our download mode, we will need to hold our power button, our volume up button and a volume down button simultaneously. So hold them and plug in your phone. Now let's give it some time to load up. Great. So there you are, and if you press volume up, this is your download mode. Basically, that's it. To exit from it, you need to press your power button and volume down button together for like 7 seconds. So let's do this. Great. Keep on holding them. And now release them when you will see your Samsung icon. And you can unplug your phone because basically we are done here. Now our phone will reboot to normal. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.